Hey Chad, this is Kevin Kazai with ASD, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our conversation yesterday. You had a couple concerns about the project size for Project Dolphin, and I wanted to answer those concerns to you and let you know how I think ASD can be a valued partner. First, let me tell you a little bit about ASD. We are a 23-year-old company. We've been doing business nationally with Fortune 1000 companies for most of those 23 years. For example, right now ASD is involved in the largest project that we have done to date. It's roughly a $7 million project. It's 500 sites, it's 60,000 cables, and it's done in a roughly 2-month on-site period. The project span is 4 months, but the actual on-site work is a 2-month project. It's with the U.S. Census Bureau. So all U.S. Census Bureau offices around the country are receiving around 70 to 80 cables each, and again, roughly 60,000 cables. So that type of project is a big project in scale. It encompasses lots of sites, and is a lot different than your project. But the way we do business is why that's important, and I'm going to explain that to you. First of all, we would assign a project manager to you. That project manager would be in control of cost, schedule, and scope. Their goal would be to ensure project quality from start to finish and work with all stakeholders on the project, being you, the general contractor, the engineers, and the end users. Secondly, and most importantly, is our ASD database. How we're handling that project with 60,000 cables around the country in 2.5 months or 2 months is through our ASDs. We have over 10,000 ASD technicians around the country and over 1,071 points of operation. So our ASDs, basically within this scope, the size or the project in Maiden, North Carolina, is within a 75-mile radius, or within a 50-mile radius, we have 75 technicians. Within a 100-mile radius, we have over 200 authorized ASD technicians. Now, our project manager would work with project superintendents. Those project superintendents would manage the ASDs specifically for the scope of work. If we had, depending on the size and the schedule, depending on the schedule, how many people we'd put on the job site at that time. ASD has been doing business like this since 1992. We've developed a huge ASD database. We've got great project managers, therefore ensuring you total quality and workmanship on the job and on time and on budget. Thirdly is understand this project has a lot of state incentives, supporting the local companies and the local technicians. Well, what I'll tell you is our ASD partners are all that I've mentioned here anyway are located in North Carolina. So not only are you supporting our company that's located here in Hickory, North Carolina, but also our ASD partners. And our ASD partners are located again within a 50-mile radius. So you're supporting those local technicians and their local families. So you put these three things together, and I believe you can find ASD is a winning choice for this project. We can handle this job with this size and this complexity. If you'll sit down with me for just a few minutes and allow me to talk to you and the other stakeholders, I believe I can ensure to you how we would get this job done. I know it's fast and it's big. ASD is good at big and fast. Let us have a chance to get this thing for you. How you can do that is just call me, 828-624-1042, or email me. You'll see that information on the email that I send to you with this link. All right, Chad, I look forward to talking to you. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for your time.